after cleansing and exfoliating her skin, we have put this special LED light mask for her pigmentation and for her acne control.
Doctor, thank you so much for today. Honestly, all the way from Mohali to Mumbai, the flight was really tiring, and this was just, I love how my skin is glowing right now after the treatment, and not just that, I love how I feel so refreshed after that hectic flight.
I'm so happy that you liked the special care that we took, and the way I have personalized every individual treatment as per the skin need and the skin requirement. So all the best to you, dear.
Thank you.
One thing I want to give you a tip is just be calm, sleep well, and have fun on this stage, okay? So Vishal, we did this Killer treatment on your face. How did you feel it?
So it was pretty much great experience, and my skin feels really light right now compared to when I first came here with the pollution on my skin. So it really feels my skin has opened up and very much clean right now. So I feel really good about my skin right now.
Hi, I'm done with my treatment with Dr. Priti Shonai, and she has done exfoliation and she has removed my blackheads. Earlier I used to think that boys don't need exfoliations and these scrubs and all, but after getting the treatment my skin is really fresh and hydrated. So I just think that it should add it in my daily routine.
So I love the treatment, my skin is feeling energized again. I'm a person who loves to take self-care, who loves skin beauty tips. So thanks to Priti Shonai who gave me such beautiful tips. Right now my skin is feeling so energized. When my skin is happy, I am happy. So thank you Skinworks, thank you Priti Shonai for guiding me so much. Thank you team, I just love you guys, thank you.